In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull Paper Trading. If you're new to trading or just want to test ideas without risking cash, this is a great way to practice in a real market environment with simulated funds. First, open the Webull desktop app or the web platform in your browser. Once it loads, look over to the left-hand menu. You're looking for the paper trading option. It's clearly labeled, and when you click it, you'll enter the dedicated paper trading workspace. This area mirrors the live trading layout, but uses virtual buying power, so everything you do here is purely for practice. Inside the paper trading screen, use the search bar to find a ticker. A ticker is the shorthand symbol for a stock or ETF, like a few letters that uniquely identify it. Type the symbol, select it from the results, and open its details page. Here you'll see the price chart, key stats, and recent activity. Use this to get a quick sense of how the stock is moving before you place a simulated order. When you're ready, click the trade button on that ticker's page. This opens the order ticket where you'll set up the trade. Start by choosing Buy if you want to simulate going long, which means you profit if the price rises. Choose Sell if you want to simulate selling shares you hold or testing a short position in paper mode. Next, pick your order type. Market orders aim to fill right away at the current available price, which is fast and simple for practice. Limit orders let you specify the exact maximum price you're willing to pay when buying, or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. Use a limit if you want control over the fill price, especially in fast-moving markets. Enter the quantity in shares. This should match the position size you want to test. A helpful habit is to double-check the ticker, side, buy or sell, the order type, and the share count before moving on. Small mistakes here can lead to unexpected results, even in a simulator. Finally, review the order summary and confirm the simulated order. In paper mode, fills are typically quick, and you'll see the result reflected in your paper account's positions and overall P&L. This immediate feedback makes it easy to test different strategies and learn how order types behave without risking real money. That's it. By opening the platform, entering the paper workspace, picking a ticker, tapping trade, setting buy or sell, choosing market or limit, selecting a quantity, and confirming, you're ready to practice like a pro.